up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melanie Coco here, and on today's video I'm actually going to carry you guys along with me to spend my day. I have a few things to do today, so yeah, spend a day with me. Yes, a day in my life, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. So guys, the time is currently 10:25 p.m. and I was so tired to even unbox my package from Junior. The road was so bad, like so bad, like they are reconstructing the road, so like everywhere was so blocked. Like I wasn't even able to like do what I wanted to do today. Like I wasn't able to like complete what I like wanted to do today, and the only thing remaining is to weave my hair, because I don't like carrying my hair just like that. Why is it like this? Like, why is it packaged, or is this how it is to be packaged? Because I've never really gotten a selfie stick before. I think I just used to use my sister's one, so I was like, anyways, let's see. It's actually not that bad for the price. I'm not even going to lie, because when I saw it I was like, this one, that selfie stick is cheap like this. So I don't really have any complaint about it, but I'm just confused. Like the packaging is very small, but that's by the way. And I think this is like a Bluetooth something, but I don't think I'll use this thing for any, so let's test the selfie stick. So guys, this is the selfie stick. I'm making use of it right now. I'm not going to lie, I'm scared. I'm actually very scared, because if my phone should fall down now I can't even blame anybody for that, because I don't know, there's just something about all these tools. Like, so anyways, this is the selfie stick and I like it. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10, just because I didn't see anything wrong with it, and it's very okay for the price. And yeah, I'm going to be extra careful using it, because I can't trust things like this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Good night. But if you're not watching this in the night, just have a good day. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.